This video will look at how to manage your product categories. So firstly we go to Merchant and then Products, and then from the category drop down we click on Category List. So from this page we can search all the existing categories with a keyword, or we can select a top level category. To create a new category we click Create on the right hand side. So the first field we need to populate is a name for the category. We then have the option to enter a description about the category, which will be displayed to the customer inside the shop. We have the option to upload two images. The first one, the banner logo, will be displayed to the customer when viewing this specific category inside of the shop. The thumbnail logo will appear when you're looking at the parent company and seeing a list of all the different subcategories that sit underneath it. So the next few options refer to the layout of the pages within this category. So the first one, the browse page layout, allows us to set a different page template for a specific category. So to help clarify what exactly a page template is, we'll just go back to the home page of the website. And the page template is usually responsible for the outer elements of the website, so the header and the sidebars. So currently this page layout has a header and it has two sidebars. If we click into a category, you'll see that right hand sidebar has dropped off and there's only one sidebar now. So this is a different page layout. So we could potentially have different colors, different things in the sidebars for a specific category. So the next option is the browse style sheet. So if we go back to the website, we click into a subcategory, we can now see a list of products here. So the browse style sheet allows us to set a different layout for these products. So here we can see they're currently tiled with 4 tiles across the page, and out of the box we have a couple of different layouts for the products, and we can also create customized style sheets for this as well. And the last option, the product detail, allows us to change the style sheet for the product page itself. So if we click into a product here, we can see a very specific layout for this product. So we can change how this looks based on the category that it's in. We can then mark a category as active or inactive. We can set a parent category. So by default, if this is set to none, the category will sit at the top of the tree as a top level category. We can set a sort order, which can resort the list of categories on the front end of the website. And we can decide whether the products in this category are searchable or not. So if this is unticked, if someone goes to do a keyword search on the front end of the website, any products in this category won't show up. We have a standard field for the UNS PSC codes. We also support Google Taxonomy IDs. The external link reference allows us to put any IDs in there that are required for other systems that we're potentially integrating with. The default product weight can be used to populate a product weight for any products inside the category that don't have their own weight. And then the next checkbox allows us to decide whether this should cascade through to any subcategories as well. We then have asset, income and expense account codes, which can be used for any integration with an accounting system. And then we also have the option to override the page title, the meta description and the meta keywords for a specific category page. So keep in mind these fields are all optional. The system's already generating some dynamic values to go into those fields, but this just allows you to fine-tune for any specific keywords you might be targeting. Once you're happy with everything there, you just click Save to create the category.